So now let's see how we can work around with the cartoon effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the effects tab right here. Then I'm going to go around and scroll down over here. So once I do that, over here on the stylize folder right here, you can see that cartoon is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this effect over here in my video, then you can see that the effect is actually added in. Alternatively, what you can also do is you can go around and keep around the cartoon effect on as a layer as well, so that all of the layer beneath it is affected. Now I'm just going to go around and demonstrate it on this video right here. So over here you can see that you can go around and choose a preset for this particular effect. So let's just go around over here onto this particular effect right here. So if I were to go around onto edge right here, you can go around and choose a color for the edge as you like. As you can see, you can make it bright or dark as you wish right here, just like this. And you can go around and change around the detail scale over here just like this, and work around with the size as well. You can go around and work around with the threshold, as you can see, just like this, and then work around with the saturation and brightness over here just like this as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So apart from that, you can go around over here and choose, let's say for example, bright and detailed preset right here, or line art preset, as you can see right here, and everything else will be adjusted accordingly right here just like this. You can work around with size right here, and you can work around with thresholds and saturation and so forth, as you can see just like this, and you get the effect right here just like this. You can go around with the neon type of look right here, or white lines over here just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and work around with the cartoon effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe